Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in solidworks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model and this is the section view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. First, we have to close this model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part to design a 3D model. So here comes the new and click on part, okay. And here I'm going to draw the sketch of the top view, then we'll extrude the sketch. For the wrong sketch, we need a plane. In SolidWorks, we have three standard planes, front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. Here I'm going to draw two center lines, then we will mirror the sketch. So here choose center line and start drawing the center line from the origin point. So here I draw a vertical center line and right click and select. And here I draw a horizontal center line. Right click and select, or you can press the escape button on your keyboard to exit the tool. Here choose a 2-point circle and draw two circles in each other at the end of this line, and draw two circles here and right click and select. Hold the control button and choose this circle and this circle and give it equal relation, and choose this one and give it equal relation. Now choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 80 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 50 millimeter. Yes, sorry, it is 50 millimeter. And here let me move the sketch a little bit. Yes, here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this center line is 150 millimeter. Yes. If you can see the dimensions or the relations, come to hide and show items, or you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. So yeah, the dimension from this point to the center line, the mirror dimension is 173.2 millimeter. Now here choose mirror entities and choose these two circles, and in mirror about choose this horizontal center line, and here turn on the copy. Okay. Now choose line and draw two lines, and right click and select and draw another line from this circle to this circle, and right click and select. And hold the control button and choose this line and this one and give it parallel relation. And here choose symmetric relation. Okay. Now choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this line to this line is 20 millimeter. Yes. And now choose a line and draw two lines here. Right click, select, and draw another line. And here choose center line and draw a center line. And here choose these three lines, and in add relation give it parallel relation and symmetric relation. Okay. And hold the control button and choose this point and this circle and give it coincidence relation, or you can move the lines and connect them to the circle, and it will get the coincidence relation automatically. So connect these lines to the circles. So you can see when I connect these lines to the circles, green symbols here appears. These green symbols are the coincidence relation. So here choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this line to, sorry, the dimension from this line. Here again choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this line to this line is 20 millimeter. And the angle from this line to this line is 60 degree. Here choose mirror entities and choose this line and this line in entities to mirror, and choose and here choose mirror about, and here click on this horizontal center line and okay. Here choose a smart dimension. The angle from this line to this line here is 60 degrees. Yes. Press the escape button and hold the control button and choose this line and this line and give it equal relation. Now the sketch is fully defined and the sketch is not moving. You can see all the lines and the circles are black. Here come the feature and click on extrude boss and base. If you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come the feature and here click on extrude boss and base and here choose these regions. In selected contour choose these regions, this one and the last region, and in direction one choose mid plane and here must be 10 millimeter. Don't turn on the thin feature and click on OK. Here choose this sketch and in extrude and here click on extrude boss and base and in selected contour choose this region, this one and this one, and here choose mid plane and we have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter and here must be mid plane, sketch plane, yes, okay. And here we have the model. Now all we have to do is just apply a color. Here choose this extrusion and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example to red. I think is better, yes. And yeah, here choose this extrusion and for example we can change the color to green, okay. And here we have the model. I will leave the link in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing and drawing a sketch in SolidWorks. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and switch your comments or subscription. Your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.